jangu kulage kulaga omukwano gwe nina mungi zekimanyi napulira ku kidima abaana b'ekawempe tuba ne stamina ennaku z'omwezi nga 12 November tebakulimba yiba ne mwatawulya mubadde ki ennaku z'omwezi nga 12 November Eddy Kenzo Festival straight tugenda kubeera Kololo Airstrip siitya Chameleon siitya boom jangu kulage kulaga omukwano gwe nina mungi Eddy Kenzo straight.
Mugamba ki bafana bange mwenna abali mu Uganda bana Uganda bagala music industry ya Uganda. Saturday Kenzo Festival e Kololo FENA. Let's go support this young man. Atubanjayo chimuchoka tumubererewo Kenzo. I wish you the very best. We'll be there. I myself will be there. So blessed sick Kenzo Festival.
Muliwa basemye kozo abakolamu obulamu kunyuma bobanga wagolamu iyo bana Uganda mwena bakowola nga 12 omwezi guno gwennyini wali ku Airstrip e Kololo muje tuwagire Eddy Kenzo mu Eddy Kenzo Festival tubereyo bangi tuki Eddy Kenzo Festival be there be no way.
Eyo chiri chama chaliba ngamanya ne doubles fit for FAMEIKA fresh by King Kong era nga ndi waneno kubayita mwena tuwagire muganda wafe Eddy Kenzo enakuzo mwezi nga 12 omwezi gwa November ku Kololo Airstrip Eddy Kenzo Festival tubeyo FENA kigenda kubera massive King Kong jendi nawe berayo nabayimbi abakabibona je bali love see you there 12 November.
Omanyina tamu yapata ebera mbayana tuli bagazina siba siru na yo tuli babandana official seso grenade mwana jala baita nga 12 November Eddy Kenzo Festival. Make sure you turn up official. I'ma be there baby. Make sure you don't miss me mojitu wa kubenongo one tune after tune. Make sure you don't miss me. Yes yeah inze chemanyina kulira ku kidima Oyenina nina kulisito Tubereyo Sesiruji kunyoma Iseno yakatonda Saula Zene sitene wazamu Mana imbe nyimbo Chokata wemula Kechimunjagaza Eddy Kenzo Festival Zeulson Bugembe na ngina kubela imba imbele mwaka imba kakulisito Ao ku Kololo Airstrip Wana wanisa Uganda naliye milyoke yonenda bangawatete ko Eddy Kenzo nga mwana yafaku kubo mwana wafe so tubereyo twagire Eddy Kenzo mwana wa mama nenda kuberayo tugende tumirewo mubiri injogenda tunawigamba. God bless you nengera kubayo bili mwengoma za Kristo.
Hey, nice and lovely, lovely, nice and lovely, oh, lovely. Yo, my people, what's up? This is the baddest Azawi. On the 12th of November is gonna be the Eddy Kenzo Festival. Come and we support the greatest of all time, the baddest of all time. It's gonna be massive and it's gonna be nice and lovely. Yeah.
Hello, my UG family. This is your girl MAMPI, aka the Queen Diva, all the way from Zambia. And I'm super excited because I'll be coming to support my brother Eddy Kenzo at the Eddy Kenzo Festival, Kololo Airstrip on the 12th of November. I'm super excited because I am bringing the heat. I'm bringing that Zambian flavor, that Zambian heat. And it's just going to be so much fun. So I hope you've secured your tickets and you got your dancing shoes ready. See you soon and much love.
Kuma, it's a weekend. Hey, rotate. So baby reset it. Jagara time to refresh, yeah. Yeah, what's up my people? It's one and only your girl, JAZMINE+MAMPI again and again and again. Gamba kola mikwano, muchimanyinga 12 November 12th. November FENA Wali Eddy Kenzo Festival. Kololo Airstrip is the only place to be. Mwena muje Tubereyo, the first time ever festival in Uganda, yeah, legendary Eddy Kenzo. I think he deserves it, guys. Bambi muje Tubereyo FENA, mwena mubereyo buli muyimbi jali, nange jendi. See you.
Yeah man, gola wako screen yo, bamuita namba nya we Uganda. Namba nya zendi namba nya, owawa ne Uganda musically. Gravity OMUTUJJU namba nya. Era ndi wano kubayita enakuzo mwezi nga 12 November tugende tuwagire namba emu we Uganda. Oyo mumutegedde namba emu kuba yasosokola festival. Kitegeera ebimu kubiragambu ye namba moja. Bali abalala bali mu byabwe byabalema. So kati enakuzo mwezi nga 12 November tugenda vimbira Kololo Airstrip. Yaman nga tuli mu Eddy Kenzo Festival. Straight up namba nya bayise muwagire namba emu. Namba 2 ajaberayo msuubira namba 3 naye ajja kujja, namba 5 bwatyo naye ajja kusonga mbere, then ne bali betwasindikeyo mu namba ziri byabalema ne badda mu namba ezo namba 5, mulimu ali mu 5, mulimu ali mu 6, mulimu kale yakkiridda mu 3, so enaku z'omwezi nga 12 namba 4 agenda kubeerayo.
Yadoli nabanjibola beyo City regular Yadaba wala bakwefasa City regular. Hey, what's up people, it's Spice Diana for you on the 12th of November. We're all heading to Kololo Airstrip for Eddy Kenzo live in concert. Everybody be there, it's a big festival, you already know. So turn up for Uganda, turn up for Eddy Kenzo. I'm gonna be there, all the gadgets be there, be nowhere. Kwagala nnyo kale wetale muwomya owomya oli wakabi nnyo kale byekole muwomya anti owomya mama ne malankula mama ze muwomya zikube wepa pa 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 wepa. What's up everybody, Shiba Kalungi aka Swag Mama, and guess what, ndiwa neno kubaita tugenda supporting Eddy Kenzo mo Eddy Kenzo Festival at Kololo Independence Grounds on 12th November, 12 November, Eddy Kenzo Festival, Independence Grounds. Showtime.
Yo, my Ugandan people, what's popping? This is Konde Boy, straight from Tanzania, and I'm here to let you know that I'm gonna be in Uganda, Kenzo Festival. So tell your friend, don't miss this November. Your boy is coming at the Kenzo Festival, coming to support my boy. So my Ugandan people, let's meet up, let's have fun. Alright, see you there. This is Konde Boy, Tanzanian #1.
Yo, sinza katonda wo, sinza mukama banange nze ndabika nsimbudde anti tugenda Wali Eri Kololo Airstrip. Hey, Yanga Mandela Eddy Kenzo, oho, kigenda kuba massive nnyo omwezi gwe guno, enaku z'omwezi ziri 12 tugenda Wali Eri Kololo Airstrip, bamuyita Eddy Kenzo Yanga Mandela. Ebintu byo mama ndibusabusa twegwe kigenda kuba massive nnyo. FENA we tugenda Eddy Kenzo Festival. Let us go and celebrate our star Nachi Nalo Mariachi MC Portable Guy Mbakowola Gasiya buchi Blolo Eddy Kenzo nantalabika ngemba atayambala pampa atenge etambule yuwa twegweko Nalo
Abolugana mukama febazwe amanya MANIZO ngandwa nokubajukiza Eddy Kenzo Festival nga 12 bane FENA Tubereyo Kololo tuwagire Eddy Kenzo Festival. It is one of a kind. Please, let's all be there and support a Ugandan and support a brother. Nga 12 Kololo Airstrip Eddy Kenzo Festival. Let's all be there. It's gonna be massive. It's gonna be historical. Blessings every time. God bless you all. I love you in the name of Jesus. Bless.
Big up on yourself, Eddy Kenzo, WIZO, MANIZO.
Tugenda bugenzi Kololo
Airstrip, Eddy Kenzo Festival.
Yeah, no.
12th November, baby, we there. Eddy Kenzo Festival. Yeah, man, fit. 12th November for my big brother, my brother.
Yeah, man.
#1 superstar, yeah, man.
See you there.
Kololo Airstrip.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Nze Haji Kabogoza omusomi w'edduwa ntereza ensonga z'amaka ebyenfuna n'endwadde ezitategeerekeka. Haji Kabogoza omusomi w'edduwa nsiŋŋaanibwa ekitigoma ku lw'ejjinja. Bw'obanga otuuse ekitigoma mu ttawuni ku stage osobola okuba ku nnamba z'essimu ezo z'olaba zitambula. Gwe wenna ali ewala oyinza okuyita ku mukutu gwaffe ogwa WhatsApp ku layini eyo eya MTN obudde bwonna mbeerako.